Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your email address on the SHEIN app. Go ahead and click me in the lower right hand side, click the settings gear on the upper right. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click and manage my account. Here at the top, you'll see if your email is showing unverified. If so, go ahead and tap on that. Then you will see, click on verify your email address. It's going to send a confirmation to your email. And once you receive that email, you'll be able to verify. And as you can see, I just received it, so I'm going to tap on that email real quick, then scroll down and click on verify account, and you will see that it says okay. Then I'm going to say go shopping. It's going to open up back the SHEIN app. If you don't see that it does that for you, then all you have to do is just go ahead and open up the SHEIN app once more, and you will be able to see that it's verified. If you're not seeing that, close the app, go ahead and open it up again, click on me, settings here in the upper right, manage my account, and here you will see your account, your email. Here you'll see your email at the top. If you tap on that, you will know that your account, your email is now verified. Once you see the unverified remove, it simply means that it's verified. And that's it.